Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can delete a profile on YouTube Kids. Super simple. You're just going to select the parent account, obviously, and you're going to just enter your passcode. Then you're going to select the account that you want to remove. For instance, Jupiter. This is obviously just a fake account. And I'm just going to type in my passcode. Oop. Then to delete the account, we're just going to scroll down here and select delete this profile, press delete, and then select delete. I accidentally said selected and delete all together, so delete. But select delete, and then that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.